Tayo. All right. Welcome to our webinar for tonight. It's called the Introduction to Forex Trading and Cheat Codes in Forex Trading. Kung saan ituturo namin sa inyo ano ito yung tinatawag na Forex Trading na pwede kang gumita ng dollar. Like this one, I'm preparing for my trade. Okay? Gamit ang cellphone mo. Pwede kang kumita ng dollar gamit ang cellphone mo. Kanina nag-trade ako earlier, so nakapag 114 ako. Yes, yun yung pag-uusapan natin kung paano yan. Welcome lahat. Passing your seatbelt. Are you ready? Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, guys. I know may mga questions kayo. Paano yan? Magkano yung investment? Paano mag-start? Anong gagawin? Don't worry, guys. I have a Q&A portion on the last part of the webinar. But for now, tuloy-tuloy muna tayo para hindi kayo malito kasi ang forex trading talaga kailangan ng konting focus lang. Konting focus lang. Alright? And then, let's have a Q&A after this one. So, this webinar is only 1 hour. And after that, if you please stay to the end or stick to the end kasi may bonus ako sa inyo. Yes, may bonus, may good news ako sa inyo na doon ko i-announce at the end of the webinar. Alright, let's start. Okay, pakilala ko muna yung sarili ko. I'm Nars Paraguya from Cagayan de Oro. I'm 43 years old and I graduated at Ateneo de Cagayan. I'm 10 years in digital business and I'm entrepreneur by profession. So meron akong mountain resort here in Claveria, Misamis Oriental. I am a licensed financial consultant. So if you're asking for someone about investment, about financial literacy, so I am licensed to do that. I started Forex trading since 2017. So medyo matagal na. I started the community, Pinoy Traders Community. And then eventually maraming nag-respond ng mga OFW. So nag-separate ako ng another community na tinatawag kong Kabayan Traders Community. Which is the reason right now na maraming nag-join ng mga OFW from Saudi, Sweden, Kuwait, Dubai, UAE. I think it's the same. So welcome po lahat. Okay. So tonight, pag-usapan natin Forex trading and this is me. A little bit about myself. This is my family. We just came from a vacation. So I love to have this kind of life where I can enjoy my time with my family. So bakit ko ito ginagawa? Digital business, Forex trading because I want to have a quality life. Okay. So ano yung definition ko ng quality life? Mayroon akong time sa family ko, sa loved ones ko. At the same time, meron akong budget sa time na yon. So if you want that kind of person that you want to have a quality life, can you type quality life? WL, wag LQ, kasi iba yung meaning. WL, if you want to manifest, i-manifest nyo. You want to manifest a quality life, may time kayo para sa family nyo, and then may budget kayo para sa family mo, feel free to type QL. QL. Okay? QL. Okay, thank you. At least, in this way, I know that you are there. Kasi just, ano lang naman, sa webinar. So, ito yung family ko. So, this is our favorite pastime together. Okay. So, before we start, I would like to say a disclaimer na we do not accept any investment. So, hindi po tayo tatanggap ng investment here. And then, pag sinasabi nyo na, bro, pwede bang ipasabay ko na lang yung trade sa inyo? So, wala yan sa atin. So, anybody after this one, I give an instruction how to be part of the community. And anybody in the community asks you that, bro, ma'am, sir, pwede kang mag-invest sa akin, sumabay sa trade? No. That's not our culture and feel free to inform me because that's not, hindi yun ina-allowed sa community natin. So, bakit? Kasi yun po yung mga nangyari yung scam. Nagbibigay ng pera, hindi nakuha. Just like me before. When I started 2017, yes, you heard it right. I was scammed with 200,000. Until now, hindi ko nakuha yung pera ko. Kasi, binigay ko yung pera ko somehow. Sila daw yung magti-trade para sa akin. Anyway, but then doon na-curious ako sa Forex trading. So I started to study about Forex trading. Nakita ko naman talaga na legit siya. It's just that yung community na pinapsukan ko is hindi siya legit. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng scam. But this is, kumbaga, good thing na nag-join kayo. At least alam niyo kung ano yung Forex para hindi na kayo ma-scam. Unang-una, talaga para hindi kayo ma-scam, wag na wag kayong magbibigay ng pera para sila yung mag-trade sa inyo. Okay? Fair enough? Is it fair? Can you type number 1 if this is fair for you? Okay. Marami actually. Maraming victim. Okay, kaya thank you for joining us tonight. At least sasabihin ko sa iyo, kailan ka pwedeng mag-invest at kailan ka hindi pwedeng mag-invest. At least alam mo, kasi normally yung na-scam talaga, just like me before, hindi ko alam. So ngayon, i-educate ko muna kayo, wag na wag kayong magbigay or mag-invest ng pera sa iba. So anong ginagawa ninyo bro, para makapag-start? So what we do is we teach you how to trade. Kayo mismo mag-open ng account, just like opening a bank. Kayo mismo hawak niyo yung account niyo sa bangko, so you can withdraw anytime. By the way, you can withdraw anytime. Okay? Now, let's just say that you are so busy talaga. Wala kang time talaga para to do this kind of stuff. Don't worry, because we have AI trading for you, which is mag-uusapan natin in a short while, or ano ito yung tinatawag natin na AI trading, para this is good for those people na may pera pero walang time. Okay, may pera pero walang time. Yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Alright. We're talking about Forex, basic in Forex trading, and part 2 is cheat codes in Forex trading. But pwede bang mag-survey mo na ako ng konti? I would like to know yung audience ko tonight, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-try ng Forex trading before, can you type number 1? And then if nakapag-try ka na ng Forex trading before, can you type number 2? So that alam ko ano yung audience ko tonight. Ano yung mga terms na gagamitin ko? Kailangan ko bang to dig deep, or kailangan ko bang to make it more basic talaga? So maraming number 2, maraming number 1, but I think marami yung nag-mute. Pwede pa mute, madam? Okay. I think marami yung nagna-number 1. Okay. Anong ibig sabihin ng W22? W2. Okay. All right. So, yes. So, cheat codes in Forex training. Okay. Guys, let me know kung okay yung signal ko. Maingay yung aso sa kapitbahay. Okay. Don't worry, I will pull out my secret weapon here. Give me a second. JL, I need a hand. Maingay ba guys? I am clear, or medyo maingay talaga? Alright, wait. Secret weapon ko. Gamitan natin ng secret weapon. Thank you for the feedback, bro. Alright. Kaya medyo maingay, coach. Alright. Okay. There. Audio. Alright. Thank you. Clear po, sir. Okay, medyo maingay. Okay, thank you. So, I'm using my microphone right now. Kasi kanina standard microphone yun. So, I hope it's good. Alright, guys. Forex trading, guys, do you think it's risky or not? Guys, I just want to know, ano sa tingin niyo yung Forex? Risky or not? Can you type yes if you think it's risky? Okay. Can you type yes? Okay. The answer is risky. Yes, that's true. Kaya Forex is not for everyone. But Forex is also very rewarding. Okay. Zero knowledge, risky with zero knowledge, yes. Okay. But you know what, guys? Sa buhay natin, may mga bagay talaga na mayroong tinatawag na gagamitan natin ang risk reward. Okay, risk reward. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Let's say for example, ngayon maraming mga OFW. So more than 100 plus na pala tayo sa webinar. Grabe dami natin. Maraming nag-join na OFW and I salute you for that. But to be an OFW, iwanan mo yung family mo, papunta ka sa bansa na hindi mo alam, isang malaking risk yan. Malaking risk yan. Sa buhay, para mayroon tayong mapuntahan, kailangan siyang magbigay ng risk. So, ganun din yung Forex trading. Okay? Every day in our life, may risk yan. And then most of the successful people, kaya sila successful din because they are risk taker.
One way to eliminate the risk, guys, is to learn the game. Kailangan aralin natin ito para hindi ma-eliminate natin yung risk. But I just want to say that this forex trading is not really for everyone. Sinasabi yung iba kasi this is para sa lahat. Sabi ko, no, it's not for everyone. If you are medyo mahina-hina yung loob mo sa medyo matapang ka, hindi, this is not for the fainted heart. Hindi po ito para sa mga pwede sa mga mahina. So, but I would still say, since nandito ka sa webinar, wala namang risk na binigay mo dito because I don't ask you to invest for me and titingnan mo lang. And then after this one, kung nagustuhan mo, then if you want to move forward, then mag-usap tayo. Then if not, just feel free to leave the opportunity on the table. I really understand that this is really not for everyone. But guys, for tonight, I'll just ask you something. Kung pwede ba, since wala pa naman kayong risk, pwede ba tingnan niyo muna yung reward? Ano yung pwedeng mabibigay sa'yo? Makabayad ba tayo ng utang dito? Madadagban ba yung kita natin dito? Pwede ba tayong mag-for good kung OFW tayo? Tingnan nyo muna, baka ito na yung answered prayer mo. Kasi ito sa akin, ito yung answered prayer ko. Okay? So, disapprove ko na itong request for, because I already have a record. Okay, so why forex trading? Because it's digital business. It's so easy. Kasi nasa bahay ka lang. It's flexible lifestyle. Kahapon, I'm on vacation, pero habang nandun ako sa resort, nakapag-trade ako. So, if you are busy, pwede. Kung alam mo na kung paano ito gawin, you only need maximum of 1 hour to trade or even 30 minutes. Ako, nagtitrade ako not more than 20 minutes per day. Yes, not more than 20 minutes per day. Pero hindi na ibig sabihin na after this one, marunong ka na. Siyempre, dumaan din ako sa, inaral ko rin yon sa proseso. Okay, kaya, pero, ganun ba siya kadali lang talaga? Yes, kung alam mo na. Low startup capital. Kahit marami kang pera, sabihin ko pa rin sa iyo, bro, wag mo nang ilagay yung mga milyonis mo dito. Mag-start ka lang ng at least 100 USD. So, that's the answer. So, magkano kailangan i-start? You can start with 100 USD. Okay? So, but if you know, pwede kang kumita ng malaki. High earning potential. Pwede kang kumita dito ng 6-figure in 1 week. 6-figure in 1 day. Okay, mamaya papakita ko yung result kung paano. Mamaya I'll answer your questions. Okay? So, no experience needed. So, hindi kailangan kasi lahat naman, di ba? Most likely, this is new to us. And then, hindi naman ito inaaral. Importante lang dito is you are willing to learn. Yun yung pinaka-importante talaga. So, what is first? Guys, I'll answer questions later on, okay? Because I want to get the 1 hour of this module. Please understand that learning forex trading is not easy, okay? So, it needs months or even years to learn forex trading. So, ako i-compress ko for 1 hour. So, mamaya sasagutin ko yung mga question. Please, wag muna kayo mag-ask ng questions kasi hindi ko rin sasagutin yan for now, later na baka matatabunan din. So, what is forex trading? Forex trading is simple. It's foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. Palitan po ng pera. Okay? OFW ka, nasa Canada ka, pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas, dinala mo yung Canadian dollar mo, pinalitan mo ng peso. And that is forex. Okay? This is the largest financial market in the world. As a matter of fact, as we speak, there are 6.7 trillions of dollars being traded every day. Yes, every day. 6.7 trillions. Okay? And global market, lahat nagtitrade. Okay? This is the most liquid business. Ibig sabihin, kung may 1 million ka, 2 million ka, 1 billion ka, gusto mong i-withdraw, you can do that. Okay? So, ang legit na forex, guys, anytime, anywhere, pwede mong ma-withdraw. No question asked kasi pera mo yan, account mo yan. Okay? So, it operates 24/7. I'm rather say 24/5 for currency and indexes, but for BTC, it's 24/7. So, available on smart device. Ako nagtitrade ako. Gamit lang itong cellphone ko. So, here's my chart because right after webinar, I jumped into trading kagad. So, Sino nagtitrade? Government, central, mga bangko. Big financial institutions are doing trading. Dati hindi tayo pwede mag-trade. If you want to trade, you go to Wall Street. For multimillionaires lang ang genius. But right now, because of digital platform like MT5, yes, you heard it right, MT5, yun yung platform na nirecommend natin. Yun yung pinaka most widely used na alam ng mga nakapag-experience ng trade yan. MT4 or MT5, but we use MT5. It's more upgraded version. Okay. So, mga bangko, ito yung mga business nila. Isa sa mga business nila. Okay. So, it's a buy and sell business. Kaya lang, hindi siya physical product, kundi pera in a digital platform. Okay. So, paano ko kumita? Dati meron kang dollar na 50 pesos, nag-increase yung value, ngayon naging 58 na, so may kita ka na 8 pesos. Copy. That's how you earn. So, in a digital platform, guys, ang question ko, if the price goes down, will you still make money? The answer is yes. Okay. So, titingnan mo yung chart. Okay, titingnan mo yung chart kung if the price is going up or if the price is going down. Tapos magkakaroon ka ng anticipation, okay, or forecast. Or let's just say anticipation. I-anticipate mo that the market will go up. So if you think that the market will go up, ang trade possession mo, guys, is buy. Ulitin ko, uptrend or go up, buy. Go down, ang trade possession mo, guys, is sell or short, long, but just make it simple, buy and sell. Okay. Exam. If the price will go down, anong trade possession mo? B for buy, S for sell. If the price will go down, B for buy, S for sell. Okay. Yes. Wow. Thank you. Congrats, Zenny. Congrats, Drew. Congrats, Anthony. Wow. Okay. So guys, ito yung mga major pairs na ginagamit natin for trading. Usually, it's pairs with USD, Euro USD. And we also trade, guys, like XAU USD in our team. We also trade like US30. US30 is indexes, top 30 companies in the US. And we also trade, guys, in our community, BTC USD. So, okay? So, yan yung mga tinitrade natin. So, I'm going to introduce you some very important terms. Take profit or TP, stop loss or SL. Paano yan? So, market. Okay. So, this is the actual chart na mayroon tayong tinatawag na candlestick chart. Okay. So, market, guys, mayroon tayong tinatawag na the price is going up and going down, which represent by these candles. The red candle, guys, symbolize that this direction, the market is going down. The green candle symbolize or it represents that the market is going up. So technically, dalawa yung direction ng market, up and down lang. Okay. So for this example, guys, papasok ka sa trade mo, yung anticipation mo, dito ka pala anticipation mo, magbabay ka. So since anticipation mo magbabay ka, guys, after you trade or before you trade, alam mo kung saan ka mag-exit. Because it is in the exit where you make money. Okay, not in the entry, it is in the exit. So, ang exit mo, guys, yun yung target mo. Na halimbawa, with this chart, halimbawa, dito yung existing price. Ang target mo, the price will go up. And then, target mo dito, guys, pag umabot dito yung presyo, mag-TP ka. Anong ibig sabihin ng TP? Take profit. If you think that the market will still go up, pwede kang tinatawag natin na target 2 or TP2. Ano ibig sabihin ng TP2? Take profit. Ibig sabihin, pag umabot dito yung presyo, bang! May pera ka na, kumita ka na, you can withdraw anytime. Halimbawa, magkamali yung anticipation mo, mayroon tayong tinatawag na stop loss. The stop loss will give you limit na hanggang dyan lang para hindi ka maliquid, para hindi malaki yung damage mo. Okay? So, yun yung tinatawag natin na SL and TP. Copy? Copy. Okay. Now, to understand, guys, the anticipation or the forecast or the movement of the market, kailangan natin aralin yung chart or yung tinatawag natin na technical analysis. Because dalawa lang yung direction ng market, guys. The market will go up and the market will go down. Technically, tatlong klaseng trend, uptrend, downtrend, and ranging. But during the ranging moment, even it's ranging, nagre-range siya between here, but still the market going up, going down, going up. Pwede kang mag-scalp dito if you're into scalping. So, ang gagawin mo lang, guys, is really to anticipate the direction of the market. Okay. Can you type up or can you type down? Yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple, guys. So, if you think that it's going up, you go buy. And you think it's going down, you go sell. Bakit sinasabi ng iba na yung forex trading is parang sugal? Kasi they don't analyze the market and naguhula lang sila kung ano yung direction ng market. Hula lang sila. So every time naghula ka, guys, that will only give you 5% win rate of the market. 5% win rate of the market. Okay. Winning this game is you need to understand the direction of the financial market through what we so-called analysis. Kaya kung mayroon narinig kayo, ay, nag-try ako dyan dati, kaibigan ko nag-try dati, hindi man, kasi parang sugal hindi nila alam. So this is the perfect time kasi yung community natin, nagtuturo tayo kung paano. And not only that, strategies and cheat codes, mamaya i-reveal natin. Okay. So analysis, guys, tatlo yan. Fundamental, technical, and sentimental. Okay, start muna tayo sa pinaka-easy. Sentimental, if maraming buyers, the price will go up. If maraming sellers, the price will go down. Fundamental, guys, any na mga pangyayari that would affect the economic status of the country. Like US tariff rate news, yun. Malaking movement yan sa market. And then technical analysis. So this is example of fundamentals. Para hindi ka maguluhan, mayroon tayong website na tinatawag, example like Forex Factory. Titingnan mo lang dyan, guys. Pag may pula, ang tawag dyan, high impact news. Okay, high impact news. Titingnan mo kung ano indication niya, if this news will make the market, move the market, which direction, titingnan mo. So, pero if you are new, hindi mo pa alam kung paano i-interpret, we recommend na wag ka munang mag-trade for you to be safe because every time na may ganitong high impact news, guys, that will lead to extreme volatility or big volume or malaking movement. Sudden up or sudden down, kung hindi mo alam, so baka delikado yung capital mo. Okay. So technical analysis naman, guys, ito yung medyo technical. Kasi nga, technical. Okay. So we need to understand the market structure, the direction of the market, support resistance, patterns, candlesticks. Other strategies like breakaway or mga maybe ICT, pero mamaya na yun, SMC, that would be later on. At least for now, pwede na mag-focus sa technical analysis and cheat codes. And then patterns. Patterns is very important. Patterns are one of the easiest confirmation or confluences on making decision when to entry and when to exit the market. But if you don't know how this thing works, it's kinda complicated for you. Guys, do you agree nga medyo complicated siya? Okay. And then, ang question ko, if you think that it's complicated, gadami natin na more than 100 plus, do you want an easier solution? Guys, just say yes if you want an easier solutions. Kasi if you're going to type on Google, learning Forex trading, it will take you 6 months to 2 years. 6 months ang pinakamagaling in a traditional way. Okay? But if you want an easier solution, just type yes so that I know that you want an easier solution and I'm going to introduce to you kung ano yung ginagawa namin sa mabilis at madaling paraan tayo kumita gamit ang cellphone natin. Alright, pagtitrade. Okay, thank you for your answer. So dito tayo sa part 2, guys. I'm going to introduce you our cheat codes in Forex trading. But before that, sa cheat codes in Forex trading, share ko muna sa inyo yung story ko. Okay lang ba? Share ko muna sa inyo yung story ko that I started Forex trading since 2017. 2021, nagpatuloy ako and then nag-stop ako sa Forex trading kasi nasunugan ako, October of 2021, nasunugan ako ng 400,000 in one night in Forex trading. Back then, walang community, walang learning, personal lang talaga, self-study lang talaga, walang tools, walang cheat codes. Bakit ako bumalik? Last year, nagkaroon ako ng problem. Actually, hindi last year. 2024, 22 years ago before last year, na-close yung company ko. I was the CEO with more than 50 plus employees. Na-close yung company ko, nagkaroon ako ng financial crisis. I sold my cars, I sold my house. So, natira lang sa akin yung resort ko sa Claveria. Nagkaroon ako ng, I'm looking for a way. I'm trying to pray to God kung Lord, ano yung next direction ko kasi it seems that hindi madali mag-start ng business nowadays. So, mayroon akong tinatry na mga businesses to bounce back my finances pero mahirap at kailangan malaking capital. And that was the time that I was financially really stressed. So, I need to find a way para mabuhay ko yung family ko. So, mayroon akong pina-follow na friend. Actually, we are friends for more than 1 year na siya nag-share about sa forex trading. And nakita ko consistent. Pero hindi ako naniwala kaagad. I understand most of you hindi naniniwala kaagad. That's normal because that's me. I'm an entrepreneur, nasanay na ako, blah, blah, blah. I know hindi madali kumita ng pera, and sasabihin mo sa akin, ganito, ganyan, madali lang. So, hindi ako naniwala kaagad. Not until rather, kasi ito, kaibigan ko talaga ito, nakita ko na na-feature siya sa RDR Talks. Sinong alam ano yung itong RDR Talks? RDR Talks, guys, is a business podcast. Alam mo nangyari sa kanya pala? Nagkautang pala siya ng 26 million. Wow. Sabi ko, if I was in, mayroon akong problema sa pera pero hindi naman ganito kalaki yung nautang ko. Sino dito guys may 26 million na utang? Sino dito may 20 million na utang? Guys, huwag kayong mag-alala. Wala naman siguro dito yung pinag-utangan ninyo. 15 million na utang. Okay? Or sino dito may utang na gustong makabayad ng utang? Yun na lang. Can you type me? Kung sino dito yung magta-type ng me, makabayad sila yung utang. Yan. Lahat naman siguro. Guilty. Okay. But guys, what encouraged me is that this friend of mine, nabayaran niya yung 26 million na utang niya because of forex business. Bakit ko sinasabi na forex business? Because forex trading is a business. Okay? Isang way lang itong pinapakita ko sa inyo, but if you want to explore later on, papakita ko sa inyo lahat kung paano. Kung how to handle this one is just like a business concept para talagang sureball nakikita ka. Dito ako na-inspire. At that time, utang ko lang is 3 million sa bangko. So sabi ko, kung nabayaran niya yung 26 million na utang niya, why not? So last year, August 2024, I start to go back again to forex trading. But this time, mayroon akong baon na cheat codes na magti-trade ako. Mayroon akong baon na cheat codes. Because this year's na nagti-trade ako is this pure, walang cheat codes ito. Okay, so mayroon akong baon na cheat codes kasi sabi niya, bro, may cheat codes na ngayon, blah, 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 hindi kagaya ng dati. Alright, itry kasi wala naman akong choice. Naghanap ako ng opportunity. I'm looking for an answer for my financial problem. So, tinay ko. Okay. So, guess what? What happened to me? Last year of December, so just few months lang guys, dahan-dahan ako nakabangon sa financial crisis ko. And just to give a simple victory for my family, bumili kami ng bagong brand new Montero Sport that katas yan ng forex trading business. Okay. So this is not to brag, but this is to inspire. Telling it to you that ito yung nangyayari sa akin. Baka, hopefully, ito yung mangyayari sa iyo kasi pwedeng nangyari sa akin. So ano yung mga cheat codes guys na tinatawag? Number 1 is AI tools. AI tools. Wow, dati wala pang AI. Dati I know may AI na pero napakamahal. Our AI tools guys categorized into 2, manual trade and automated. Manual, kayong magti-trade sa cellphone niyo just like this one. This is sell and this is buy. Kayong pipindot, that's manual. Pero may AI for that. Okay? And automated trading, wala kang ginagawa. It's the computer, the AI will trade for you. So yeah, i-explain ko ng mabuti. So ito guys, ang tinatawag natin na AI pattern scanner. Manual pero may AI, yes. Anong trabaho ng AI? Si AI is mag-i-scan ng pattern para sa inyo. So parang the AI will help you analyze the chart, analyze the market since bago. So imagine, hindi mo pa alam kung paano magbasa ng chart, pero may AI that may analyze, so calculate the market for you. And the good thing about this AI, kasi magbibigay siya ng signal. Kung kailan ka pumasok, what price ka pumasok, ano yung target 1 mo, TP1, ano nga yung TP, take profit 1 at take profit 2, at ano yung stop loss mo. This is the good thing about our AI pattern scanner. Okay? Wow. So ano yung basis ito, guys? Ang basis ito, guys, is based on harmonic patterns. Forex chart, guys, is made up of 70 to 80% patterns. Now, if you're using harmonic patterns, even if kung trader ka na, ito, mas maganda ito sa iyo. Kasi it will help making a very good decision. Okay. Harmonic pattern is very rare profitable. This will give you guys 70 to 85% win rate. Okay. Bakit may ganyan? Guys, fact number 1. In Forex trading, walang 100% win rate. There's no such thing. If you're looking for safe money, wag kang mag-Forex. Lagay mo yung pera mo sa bangko, itago mo yung pera mo, pero hindi siya tutubo. But if you're going for an aggressive side, okay? So mayroon tayong tinatawag, though it's not 100%, kasi if someone talk to you and claiming that their Forex is 100% safe and 100% sure, tumakbo ka na. Because that's 100% scam. Okay? So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng win rate? Okay. Mayroon kang 10 trades. 10 trades. Okay. 7 panalo. 3 talo. 70%. Kahit 70% lang. Ibig sabihin, since 7 yung panalo mo, 3 lang yung talo mo, overall, profitable ka pa rin. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng win rate. Now, using these harmonic patterns will give you 70 to 80% win rate. Pero this one is difficult to identify. Bakit ko ito na-appreciate? Kasi dati ako nagtitrade. Dinodrawing namin itong harmonic patterns that we are not sure kung ano yung dinodraw namin kung tama ba o hindi. But this time, it's more accurate because it's the AI will scan the pattern for you because it's difficult to identify with non-professionals. Another example, this one is still a pattern. Nagbibigay siya ng signal when to entry. So kung nasabayan mo itong signal na binigay niya, yung analysis niya na dito ka mag-entry, TP1, 2 candle lang. Another 3 candles, TP2. Ibig sabihin, kumita ka na. Result. Okay, ito yung result. may na-screenshot tayo na nag-trade, nakasama natin sa community. Ito yung na-scan ng AI pattern scanner niya. 2 TP, TP1, TP2, sell, 622, 681. Guys, in 1 day, kimita siya ng 1,300 or 70,000 pesos in 1 day of trade. Wow. Grabe. Actually, guys, maliit lang yan. Mayroon pa malaki. 4,124. Yes, I know. Para sa inyo, nasa siya kayo. If is example, kung hindi nyo pa nasanay talaga na kumita ng ganito, masasya ka talaga. Kasi mindset yan eh. Kung hindi ka talaga sanay, yung mind hindi matatanggap yan. Sige, sabihin mo na natin, okay lang. Palitin lang natin. 20,000 per day, 10,000 per day, or even 1,000 per day. Okay? But this result, guys, is an actual result na pinakita ko sa iyo kung gaano siya ka-imposible kung aralin mo lang or apply mo lang itong cheat codes ng Forex trading natin. Guys, imagine 230,000 pesos in 1 day of trade. Sino gustong i-manifest? No? Me? Ito dapat income natin para makabayad tayo. Paano tayo makabayad sa utang kung 1,000 pesos lang yung per day natin, di ba? Okay. So another trade, by the way, the owner of this trade, guys. Okay, by the way, ito pa. He is a former seaman. And guess what? Siyempre, malaki na yung kita niya sa Forex trading. Another 4,000. Another 200,000 pesos day. Eh, siyempre, nag-stop na siya sa pagiging seaman. This is yours truly, and this is the owner of this trade, my mentor. 26 years old, guys. Grabe. Mga 2 years lang siya sa pagsisima, nag-stop na siya kagad kasi nakita niya naman. Ito na, another trade. This was the time that we met last March and then ito yung trade niya. Not bad. 200,000. Yes, I know. Yung iba mabigla. Yung iba hindi sanay. I understand. I understand. Kasi ganun talaga. Pero if I were you, para ganun yung kumita kayo ng malaki, ngayon pa lang, sanay-sanayin nyo na yung mindset nyo. Kaya i-claim nyo na, i-manifest nyo na. Kasi business and pera is all about mindset. Okay? So, another cheat code guys, if you are busy in forex trading, nasa AI pa tayo ha. Kanina that's AI pattern scanner for manual trading. Ito naman guys is AI trading. Wala kang gagawin. You just open your account and you're good to go. You can set one. So the good thing about this one is automated. Go grow yung pera mo na wala kang ginagawa. Yes, you heard it right. Wala kang ginagawa. At start yung pagsi-set up, but after the setup, wala. Starting capital dito, guys, is 300. This is AI gainer, guys. This is Euro USD, and this is very conservative, but it's compounding. Another trade, guys, another AI, guys, is wealth gainer. It's more on gold, XAUSD. Yearly average, guys, is, in average for the whole year, umabot siya ng 10 to 15% monthly. But let's just say 10% equity gain per month. Sinong magbibigay sa iyo ng 10% increase of your money that even mag-time deposit ka sa bank, that's only 1.5% per annum or per year compared to 10%. Okay. So, starting capital is 300,000. So, at least alam nyo na. By the way, guys, kung papasok kayo sa AI, it should be with more than 1 year track record. So, dapat meron siyang 1 year track record kasi kung wala, ibig sabihin hindi pa siya na-test sa market, baka mataog. Okay? Sabi sa iya ba, basig mayabo. Okay. So, ito yung track record niya. Ito yung mga gain or interest or growth gain. The proper term is equity gain. Yung tubo niya per month. Okay? May 24. Kung nag-average lang tayo, guys, na let's just say 10% per month. Okay? 10% per month. Not bad. 10%. This is good kung marami ka talagang pera and then gusto mo lang patubuin, this is good for you. Okay? So, you can start this one with 300 USD. Wala kang gagawin. Okay. Now, another cheat code, guys, number 2 is mayroon tayong tinatawag na swipe to trade. Using an app with our community. Kasi I understand na medyo itong MT5, medyo kailangan mo talagang aralin para makapag-start ka. So this one is like semi-automated, guys. Ang gagawin mo lang, download ka lang app. This is connected with MT5. Isa-swipe ko lang, guys, based sa binibigay ng mga expert traders. Mayroon tayong expert traders sa community. Kung gusto mo isabay yung trade niya, isa-swipe mo lang. Pero hindi ka technically na sumabay sa kanya. Ibig sabihin, ano yung binigay niya na signal, kinuha mo lang, tinade mo lang doon sa account mo. Ang tawag nito, swipe to trade. This is good for those who are newbie, na pwedeng matuto sa forex trading na mabilisan. Okay, swipe to trade. Okay, so, mayroon kasi tayong app na tinatawag na Solex, wherein yung mga expert traders natin magbibigay doon ng signal. Or magbibigay siya na, oh guys, dito tayo mag-buy, guys, dito tayo mag-sell. Then kung gusto mong sumabay, iswipe mo lang. So, grabe, ang bilis at saka ang dali lang talaga because of cheat codes. Okay. Another thing is academy. Kahit you do AI, kahit you do swipe to trade, kahit mayroong signal doon na binibigay, I still believe, guys, if you want to have a long-term success in forex trading, kailangan mo siyang aralin ng tama. Bakit ko sinasabing aralin ng tama? Too much information in YouTube, walang nagka-resulta, doon ako galing. So ano ito? Ito yung specific strategies na binibigay natin. First is basic, and then eventually advanced, and then later on masterclass. You will have an access with one with our VIP community. Basic, advanced, crypto, masterclass. Bakit mo siya aralin? If you want long-term success, kailangan mo siyang aralin. Kung gusto ka makabayad, gusto mong kumita ng 200,000 kahit per month, okay, kailangan mo siyang aralin. Okay? Sa community natin, guys, meron tayong Tagalog version, but this is not the same actually with Eka. This is more on technical analysis in Tagalog version. Sa community natin, meron tayong tinatawag na technical analysis series, no, which na-train namin every Saturday. So tinuturo namin this Saturday, we will have a training about technical analysis. And then you can join in a webinar. No? Later on, we'll have a face-to-face. May special event kami na face-to-face. Pero since laki ng community natin, the best way we can do is online so that makater natin kahit saan ka sa mundo, pwede kang mag-join. Okay. Chart mastery ang tawag natin dyan. Next cheat codes, guys, and then I'll answer your questions. The next cheat code is access to live trading session or live session. Anong gagawin mo? Sa community natin, mayroon tayong expert trader na naka-base sa Dubai. Every night, mamaya 9:30, magti-trade siya. And you're part of the VIP community, mag-join ka doon, mayroon kang access sa Zoom. Magti-trade siya, ang gagawin mo lang, sasabay ka sa trade niya. So this is the fastest and easiest way to make money. Even if yung mga trader, guys, if you're a trader and if you want to master scalper, guys, this guy is the best in scalping. Makikita nyo kung ano yung setup niya, ano yung mga strategies na, and eventually, we will learn later on na kahit hindi ka na sumabay sa trade niya, you can trade on your own just like me. Nakapag-trade na ako ng strategies niya kasi alam ko na for every day, every night na nag-join ako sa kanya, habang nag-learn ako, kumikita ako kasi sumasabay ako sa trade niya. Copy? So, parang ganito, guys. Ito, parang ganito.
Buy na.
Sasabi siya ng buy, pag mag-break away, magsabi siya ng buy din, mag-buy ka. I-ready mo lang. May strategies naman, may technique. Ituturo din naman natin sa VIP. Ito yung mga results, 1,500. Wow. This is like 80,000 one night, guys. Ito yung mga simple result. By the way, this is a personal result ko to. Malit lang, 300, 200 per night. Diba? Sinong magbibigay? So to sum it up, okay, 4 cheat codes in Forex trading, guys. AI tools, manual and automated. Swipe to trade na may kasamang signal. So, dati sa iba, di ba, signal lang. Sa atin, signal at the same time, pwede mo i-swipe yung signal niya para makasabay ka. Number 3 is Academy, which is ECA and tinatawag na Chart Mastery. And number 4 is access to live trading or live session. Sasabay ka sa expert. Okay. So, paano mo ito ma-access? Paano mo ito ma-access? Ang gagawin mo lang, guys, is you need to enroll with our community. Please understand that this is money-making business. And you need money to make money. Hindi po ito foundation. Okay? But don't worry, may still bonus ako sa inyo. Kapag ka nag-enroll kayo sa Forex trading, Forex formal na masterclass, mahal yan. That will took you 70 to 150. Siguro nandito ba sa audience nakatry ng nag-attend ng formal? Ako nakatry ako ng attend ng formal. It cost me 30,000. 3 days lang. 30,000. Okay? So advance 400. Mayroon ba dito sa audience na nakapag-attend ng nakapag-attend ng formal at magkano yung binayad nila? Kasi ako nakapag-attend ako formal. Binayad ko is around 30,000. Okay? So, but not anymore. Kasi in our community, by the way, this is our community, and US-based tayo, Iconic. And ito yung mga demand behind this one, na feature na ito ng Forbes Magazine. Number 1 tayo ng INC Incorporated 500. Watch Market, Yahoo, MBS, Forbes Magazine, and Entrepreneur. So, na-feature na siya. Ang headquarter natin nasa California. Okay. Now, guys, for you to enroll with us and ma-access mo yung cheat codes natin, guys, meron tayong tinatawag na mga packages. First package, guys, is 1 year. 1 year ka may access. Ibig sabihin, 1 year ka may access sa cheat codes. Not only aralin mo, 1 year. That will cost you 999 or like 50,000 pesos. Okay? Malaki, maliit. Maliit pa rin. Kasi kung kailangan mo mag-abroad, kailangan mo maglabas ng more than 100,000. Okay? And then, mayroon tayong 6 months access, 645 only. The good news is that mayroon tayong bonus, chart mastery sa community, VIP community, guys, group coaching, scalping. Guys, question. Huwag nyo tingnan yung magkano yung kailangan nyo i-start. Tingnan nyo yung opportunity na pwede magkaroon ng answered prayer yung financial problem nyo. Guys, kung meron ka, do you think, are you interested with this one? Can you type number 1 if you're interested? Huwag mo muna tingnan yung capital. Can you type number 1 if you're interested? Okay. Kasi if you're interested, if you answer number 1, magbibigay pa ako ng another payment option na which is lesser sa binigay ko. Wow, grabe ah. Pero totoo naman talaga na imagine mo sa pinakita ko, kung marunong ka na mag-trade, 999 guys. Isang araw lang yan. Just recently, kahapon sa GC, pinakita ko, nag-withdraw ako. Again, not to brag, but to inspire. Nag-withdraw ako ng 1,000 USD. Okay? Kanina, nag-withdraw din ako. So, depende sa iyo. Kaya nga, gusto mong itry ito para bro, kung hindi mo ambot ni mo eh. O hindi na ni mo sulbaran yung problema, hindi na siya masulban. Okay. God answers through opportunity. But don't worry. I still have a good news for you. Okay. I just wanna titingnan mo lang kung magkano yung sa kabila, magkano yung iba. Guys, if you wanna enroll guys with this kind of training program in Forex trading, that will cost you 1,499 in another company, sa competitor natin, or even 1,799. So, i-compare mo ito, guys, mura pa rin sa atin. Mura pa rin sa atin kung i-compare mo ito. It's a good deal. Sabi, like that. I like that kind of mindset. Yun ang mindset, guys, na aasinso sa buhay. Yung tinitingnan mo yung positive side, tinitingnan mo yung solution, wag yung problem. Kasi yung mga taong umaasenso at kumikita dito, guys, yung nakakita ng opportunity, nakakita ng business, nakakita ng solution. Imagine niyo, di ba, ang laki ng difference. Okay, but I have good news for you. Who wants good news? Okay. Instead of 999, guys, mayroon tayong payment option number 2. It will only cost you 199. Di ba kanina? 999. Ngayon, 199 lang. But this is 1 month access lang. This is still better than learning Forex trading in 3 days. This is still better than learning Forex trading in 1 week. Ito, 1 month. Magle-learn ka, may access ka, and another good news, if you're a Filipino, kung mapa-fill up ka ng form, i-click mo lang Philippines. So, hindi ka magbayad ng 199, you only pay 179 kasi sa mga emerging countries, meron silang discount. But if you're a US American, sa US, 199, sa atin, 179. It's a good deal compared to 100. Guys, sino dito interested? Can you type number 2 if you're interested, guys? Because mayroon bonus. Okay. Ano yung bonus? Aside sa binayaran mo na mayroon kang access sa AI trading, manara pala yung AI, yun yung tawag sa AI pattern scanner. Kayong academy natin, swipe to trade and live sessions access. Aside from that, sa community natin, only exclusive sa community natin, mayroon tayong bonus, guys, na chart mastery. This kind of trading, guys, this is worth like 20,000 to 30,000 kung talagang aralin mo ito. Because we talk about technical analysis and strategies. We also have bonus VIP community. The moment na it-enroll, ilalagay ka namin sa GC kung saan lahat dyan gustong matuto sa Forex trading. May questions ka, if ever yung mga coaches, BC, mag-ask ka ng questions, they can answer you kasi the same lang tayo. So, nahihirapan ka, which part doon nahihirapan ka, the community can help you. Then, meron tayong weekly group coaching. Tomorrow, we have group coaching. And on Saturday, we have group coaching. Okay, then we have VIP signals in Solex. Okay? And we have a scalping strategy. Dalawa yung scalping strategy natin, guys, XAUUSD and US30. Lahat ng yan, bonus, ibibigay natin sa inyo for free kung mag-enroll ka ng 179. Alright? Marami nag-answer ng number 2. Yun, ito yung tao talaga na kikita. Kasi yung iba, gusto ko, pag scam lalabas ang pera kasi, di ba, walang ginagawa. But guys, don't worry. We still trade pero madali lang because may cheat codes. Okay. Another bonus, last bonus before we end Q&A, then we will end. For tonight video, guys, for tonight webinar, magbibigay ako sa inyo ng bonus. I will let you join the community for free. Yes, you heard it right. For free. You can join the community for free. Pero walang access sa cheat codes, ha? But you can join the community for free so you can continue to learn. You can ask questions there and you can even observe. Even if you're not yet ready to enroll in 179. Kahit hindi ka pa ready, but you want to explore, you think, I want to know this business more. So that's free bonus. Ang gagawin mo lang dyan to access our bonus is mag-reply ka lang ng I joined the webinar. Just reply, I joined the webinar. Wait, huwag kang mag-reply dito sa chat. Ulitin ko, huwag kang mag-reply dito sa chat. Saan ka mag-reply para maka-join ka sa GC? Mag-reply ka sa Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Mayroong Facebook page or mayroong tao na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Just in time, perfect timing, we have free webinar tonight. Then binigyan ka ng link, clinic mo lang yung link, nakapasok ka sa webinar natin. Kung sino man yung nagbigay ng link sa iyo, a person or a Facebook page, ang gagawin mo, mag-reply ka doon sa kanya ng I joined the webinar. The moment you reply, I joined the webinar, that's the password. We will be adding you to the GC. We will adding you to the GC for free. So ano makukuha mo sa GC? Okay. You can continue to learn there for free if you're not yet ready. Okay? And this is, by the way, our community. Meron tayong mga face-to-face. I'm organizing face-to-face next month or early June dito sa Cagayan de Oro. But of course, for most of the part is a webinar kasi para lahat maka-access. And then ito pala guys, by the way, one person na nag-part ng community natin is a 66 years old. 66 years old na not even, hindi mahilig sa computer. Bakit ko ito pinakita? Kasi nag-consistent earn lang naman siya ng 100 to 200 USD in one day in Forex trading. 100 to 200 USD one day. Not bad. 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 in one day. Guys, 66 years old. What's the point? If nakaya niya, ibig sabihin, ganun lang kadali i-follow through yung system natin. Kasi nga, 66 years old nga lang. Nakuha niya. How much more? Kasi I know, most of our audience is below 66 years old. Sino ba dito below 60 or more than 66 years old? Ibig sabihin, kung nakaya niya, makaya mo rin. And ito guys ha, guess what? Very consistent guys, yung earning niya. 200, 100, guys, same day ito. March 3. We met this one. Okay? Nag-trade siya BTC, nag-trade siya US30. Same day. O, si Tito Iman. Meron ding mga traders na. So sabi ko, bro, kumusta? First time in my entire Forex trading career that consistent akong earnings. Gaan na lang kayo akong spend time to analyze. So magaan na lang daw mag-analyze sa chart because of the cheat codes na ginagamit natin. Ito si Ma'am Marivic from Cebu. 50 plus years old, guys. Ito na yung kinita na ngayon. Ang story niya is 2 months lang niya, guys, inaral ang cheat code natin. And then nag-start siya sa trade. First month nag-trade siya, guys, kumita siya ng 100,000 pesos. Nag-withdraw siya ng 96,000. Iniwan niya yung 4,000 for capital sa trading. Binayaran niya yung 2 pang-tuition ng anak niya. Saya-saya niya. Okay. And then this one is an OFW. Si Sis Jed na naging part na sa inner circle ko. Eventually, naging coach na rin. Nagte-trade siya, guys. One day, 744. Ibig sabihin pala, kung alam mo na, yung 179 pala na pang-enrollment mo, pwede mo yung i-ROI for one day. Kasi sa kanya, one day. Okay? Absent daw siya, hindi siya nagtrabaho pero trade is life, nag-trade siya. 4 hours in trading, kumita siya ng 174. So, thanks to coaches, Coach Nars, and iba mga coaches na tinuturo namin sa inyo. So, ganun lang. Okay. Good news. If you're going to reply tonight, join the webinar and isasama namin kayo sa GC, you will be part of our 2-day challenge. Starting tomorrow, Thursday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., 9:30 maybe, we have a free Forex intensive webinar, 2-day challenge. The goal of this one, right after this webinar, is marunong ko nang mag-execute ng trade gamit yung cellphone mo. That's the goal kasi ituturo namin dito how to execute trade. So that would be tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, 8 p.m. Kaya ang gagawin mo, but if you're OFW, you're busy, don't worry my record. But I will only give you this access for free. Yes, you heard it right, for free. Ito yung mga training na babayaran mo ng mga 10,000, 7,000 pesos kung face-to-face. Okay? For free, if you are part of our GC or if you're part of our Facebook community. So be part of our Facebook community for free. Mag-reply kayo na i-join the webinar even if you're not ready to enroll 179 and then you're good to go. We'll start this one tomorrow. 2-day challenge, guys. Thursday, 8 p.m. mag-start onwards to pinakamatagal 10 p.m. Next day, Friday, execution yan. This is intensive Forex webinar. So, and good news is this is free. So, if I were you, right now, ngayon pa lang, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-reply, mag-reply ka na ng I joined the webinar para masama ka sa GC, para bibigyan namin sa inyo yung link, registration on how to join our webinar tomorrow. Okay? So, another screenshots from a former OFW na dating nagtitrade na dali nang nakabawi yung trade niya. Mga results. Guys, grabe. Actually, daming results. Daming results. Meron nga kumita sa amin sa community ng former nurse ito. 1 million in 1 month. Okay. One of our brand ambassadors. Okay. Let's go for Q&A. Q&A, guys. Wency, please don't reply here. I joined the webinar. Doon ka mag-reply sa messenger. Yung nagbigay ng link sa inyo. Okay. Q&A, guys. Guys, labas nyo na lahat ng questions nyo. Okay, labas nyo na. Pwede bang mag-trade na hindi makapag-enroll? Very good question. It's okay, Wency. Pwede bang mag-trade na hindi makapag-enroll? Very good question. The answer is yes. Pwede kang mag-trade. But for you to make money in trading, kailangan mo mag-capital. Recommended capital, 100 USD. Okay, scenario. Okay, here's the scenario. But, ang tanong ko, mayroon kang pang capital na 500 USD. Mayroon kang pang capital na 500 USD. Kasi kailangan mo capital para kumita. Okay. At first demo, pwede 1 week, maximum. Pero mayroon kang 100 USD. Kasi gusto mong mag-trade, kailangan ka mag-capital. Pero hindi ka nag-enroll. Ang question ko sa iyo, how you will make this one profitable? Paano mo itong gawing profitable? Alam mo ba kung paano mo siya gawing profitable? Kasi kung hindi mo alam, delikado. Pwedeng ma-liquidate or masunog yung capital mo. Sayang lang yung capital mo na 500 USD. If I were you, mag-enroll ka lang muna tapos mag-capital ka lang ng maliit. Kasi sabi ni...
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Kaya maraming nasusunugan, guys. Too aggressive. Not even thinking. Sa Bisaya pa, dasig ba pero wa maplastar. Okay. Too aggressive, not even thinking that kailangan nilang aralin. Kasi kung hindi mo ito aralin, guys, guaranteed yan. 95% of new traders fail. Number one reason, lack of knowledge and education. Kaya yung 179 mo, that will save you money para sa pang-capital mo. Okay. XM kasi gamit ko. Don't worry, guys. For manual trade, you can use your own broker if you like. No big deal. Okay. But for our AI trading, we host that AI in Light Finance. If you want. But if you don't want, we have manual trade and a lot of trading opportunities. Swipe to trade, scalping, US 30, XAUSD, you have a lot of opportunities na pwede kang kumita. Okay? So if you want lang naman. And if you want, you can open Light Finance for 5 minutes. Okay? We recommend, by the way, Light Finance and Beauty Markets. That's our broker. Okay? Question. Sana yung mga question nyo, guys. Labas-labas yun yung mga question. Kanina, daming. How many months subscription? This is worth 1 month of training. This is still better than 3 days or 1 week training. 1 month yan, web-based lahat. Even if you're busy, you can play anytime. Plus, meron tayong VIP community. And then, if you want to continue, you can continue subscribe it with 149. But if you don't want to continue, it's okay. No big deal. But our goal is, even if you're 1 month lang, 1 month mo, our goal is kikita ka na ng at least 150 USD for 1 month. Mag-break even ka lang, masaya na ako kasi marunong ka na, matuto ka na mag-trade. Sir, na-miss ako tong part niya enrollment fee. Niabot ang manager. How much? 179. Sir, pwede ba makatrade? Ulitin ko, brother. 179 is your enrollment. Okay. Hindi pa yung pang-trade mo dyan. Pero ito yung gawin mo. Upon you enroll, wag ka munang mag-deposit agad kasi hindi po naman alam kung anong gagawin mo. Upon enrollment, aralin mo muna at saka mag-demo ka. So mag-demo account ka, since sa pag-start mo na enroll, siguro maximum 2 weeks. Aralin mo mag-demo, profitable ka na sa demo, tsaka ka mag-start ng 100 USD. Copy. I-invert natin yung situation. Hindi ka mag-enroll. Gusto mong mag-trade. Pwede? Yes. Ulitin ko. Pwede. Pero ang question is, paano mo siya gawing profitable kung hindi mo alam kung anong ginagawa mo? Masayang lang yung capital. Kung swipe to trade, magkano yung requirement capital? Actually, 100 USD pwede. Depende sa'yo. Kasi nakalink yan sa MT5 sa broker. The price in Iconic po is different. Wala pong 100. Meron. 100. One year subscription. 1 year, if you like. That's 1 year subscription. Okay? So, any other questions? Magkano ba? I answer this one. Ideal capital, 100 USD lang. Bro, Romeo, kahit marami kang pera, I know marami kang pera, wag mong ilagay lahat. I start ka muna with 100 USD. Bakit? Kung alam mo na kung paano palaguin yung 100 USD mo, tsaka ka maglagay ng malaki. Okay? Pero kung hindi pa, wag muna. Kasi ito yung kagandahan kasi may community ka, may someone na mag-advise sa inyo. Okay? May someone na mag-advise. Swipe to trade, not swipe to trade ha. Swipe to trade. May papasukan ding apps. Yes, meron. Meron. Malilink lang siya sa MT5. We will give you instructions the moment na nakapag-enroll na ako. Basic crypto pala ang inaabot sa ilang buwan. Ang sub, access to live trading po, my code bago kami nakapag-join. Tama yan, tama yan. Yes, 179. What the key habits, mindset shift made the biggest difference? Okay. I like this question. Parang pang Miss Universe. Sir, what key habits or mindset shifts made the biggest difference in the success of forex trading? Number 1. Isang training ito. Number 1. Huwag kang matakot mag-try. Kasi kung magtakot kang mag-try, wala kang mapapala talaga. Lahat ng bagay, kung natatakot ka, walang mangyayari sa iyo. Gusto mo makabayad ng utang, gusto mo maahon yun sa kahirapan, gusto mo makapag-hustle, kumita ng pera gamit ang cellphone. Guys, magkano lang naman yung 179? That's around 10,000 pesos. Okay? You cannot even build a business for that one. But you can build a business for that one using cellphone. Another answer shapes the biggest difference. Another mindset is tinatawag natin na learning mindset. Mayroon kang mindset dapat na willing ka to learn. Kasi dito, the moment you start, marami kaming ibibigay sa inyo na aralin mo talaga. Now, if you want long-term success, But you want instant, we have AI when we have Swipe to Trade. But pinakasekreto dito, biggest success na makukuha mo is aralin. Tomorrow, kahit hindi ka pa magbayad ng 179, free lang ito. I know, even if I give you for free, may mga tao na ungrateful, I understand. That's why most ungrateful people, hindi sila maging successful. Magbibigay kami ng free workshop tomorrow. Free workshop. Okay, free workshop. Ito. Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-reply ka lang, I join the webinar. Kasi doon sa GC, doon namin ibibigay yung guide paano kapag-join. 79 per first month subscription and then second month, yes po. If you want to continue. But if you don't want, 1 month, alam mo na, no problem. Okay. Medyo gusto mo pa, okay, continue. At kumita ka na, alam mo na ba't kumita ka na, but you want to continue, no problem. 149, isang araw lang na trade na, kung alam mo. Okay, ano ba yung kailangan na apps you download, sir? MT5, basic app, but huwag ka muna mag-download, mag-join ka muna sa GC para mabigyan ka namin ng link. Okay. So what are the key habits? I answer this one. How to enroll? This is a good question. Zeni rather. If you reply to the person I joined the webinar, and then dun sa inner circle ko kasi, inner groups ko ng mga coaches, then we will guide you how to enroll. May message ka na, bibigyan ka namin ng link. AI lang ang maglagay ng malaking pera. O kung may malaki kang pera, pwede ka maglagay sa AI. Walang ginagawa. Okay? And then, paano pa mag-enroll? Good questions. Like, again, paano mag-enroll? Mag-reply ka lang, I joined the webinar, and then ask the person behind that one so that we will guide you kung paano mag-enroll. Okay, meron kaming link. Susubukan nyo ito, hindi masisira yung buhay nyo. Yes. Guys, marami na tayong sinubukan. Kung ako lang. Kaya nga, you know what happened to me? I really thought to start this business again. Akala ko talaga I need 200,000 or at least 150,000. Because business ang pinag-uusapan dito, guys. Pero yung sinasabi na sa akin na around 10,000 na, sabi ko, try natin to. Around 10,000 lang, marami. Scam nga ba? Malaki, di ba? Wala kayong nakuha. Okay? So, ano yung oras po sa KSA? I-convert mo lang, bro. I-convert mo lang. Very simple question. Very simple answer. How to adapt your trading strategy during different market conditions like high volatility? I like these questions. Okay. Most of our strategies are scalping, and scalping likes volatility. So, most of the time, we like to trade during high volatility, 4:30 p.m. PH time, 9:30 PH time lang kasi alam ko maraming iba-ibang bansa dito. So, kayo na mag-convert. Okay? So, walang spoon feeding sa trading. Kailangan mo talagang matuto sa sarili mo. At kami naman ay mag-guide sa inyo. So, ready to add me already in the group. Okay, pag ready in the group na, walang problema. Watch out for our announcement tomorrow kung paano maka-log in or paano maka-join sa 2-day challenge natin. Bibigay kami ng instructions. Especially ng Zoom link. Willing to learn po. Yun yung maganda. Willing to learn lang talaga. Okay. Wala, sir, wala pong iconic. Meron po. Meron. Merong 999. Okay? But kung gusto mo bayaran ng 149, pwede rin. Okay? So, posible kumita 100 USD in a month para pambayad? Yes. Actually, 100 USD, pwede in 1 day. Mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga screenshots. Okay, sir, walang 10K. It's not my problem anymore. This is business, my sister. Sir, invite you for a friend tomorrow also. Invite. Yes, you can. You can. But make sure na nasa GC na sila so you can add them on GC. Okay. First join ko sa sweldo. Okay. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for your questions. I know marami pa rin. 98 pa rin tayo. Almost 100. Ang gagawin nyo lang, guys, make sure na nag-reply kayo ng I joined the webinar so you can join. Guys, this is not for everyone. I understand. This is really not for everyone. But if you're serious, if you are praying to God na, Lord, sana kasi I was praying talaga, this could be an answered opportunity for you. Okay? Pwede mo i-try. Huwag ka mo nang mag-enroll. Join our GC and then observe there. And then if you are ready, then tulungan natin para makapag-start ka. Okay? Guys, thank you so much for joining us. See you tomorrow. 2-day challenge. Perfect, not perfect, guys, kasi tomorrow na. Free lang ito. The most important kapag ka naka-join ka sa GC, then it's free for you. Forex for beginners, guys. 2-day challenge. Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow and Friday, guys. See you. God bless everyone. To God be the glory.